Hey everybody, today we're making the pizza dough. Yeah boy. So what we have here are about 5 ingredients. It's going to be nice and simple, quick. Well, not quick because you gotta let flour rise and you gotta let the flour do its thing, but it's pretty easy to prepare. We start off with 1,500 grams of flour, 50 grams of olive oil, 25 grams of salt, 10 grams of honey, and 5 grams of dry yeast. Also, 1 liter of water. I have the flour separated because I'm going to use 1,000 grams right now. And I'm going to save the 500 for afterwards. We'll find out. We're in the liter of water. Okay, so we poured in the liter of water. Next step we're going to do is pour in the yeast to get it activated. Move that around a little bit. The next step is we're going to pour in the honey, which helps in the activation of the yeast. Helps speed up the process a little bit. And then we're just going to move things around for a few minutes. Gotta make sure it's all we have to make sure it's all activated properly. Whew. This is a pretty good workout. I mean, most of you haven't been to a gym in a long time, like me, because of this whole coronavirus situation, but hey, you could get in the kitchen and work out your arms. Okay, let that sit there for a second or two, and then we're going to pour in the flour. This is like all-purpose flour. This is actually a combination between 80% type 00 flour and the rest all-purpose flour because I ran out of 00. So we're just gonna add the flour slowly as we move things around. I'm done working on this flour, so now what I'm going to do is just cover it, like I said. Cover it with a towel and just let it rest. Let it sleep. Let it take a little nap. Little nap for 1 hour. Make sure it's nice and cozy and resting. 1 hour. So it's been about an hour, and let's go through the next step. Before I had to switch cameras because my other camera fell and got busted up. So I'm going with the iPhone. Here we go. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to put some flour down on my board here. A little bit, so it's nice and covered. We pour this flour into my board and add the rest of the remaining 500 grams of the flour. This gets really messy. But messy's a good thing. Flour, you gotta really work it. So once you start doing this, I'm going to add the remaining salt and olive oil. Don't put all the olive oil in there, leave just a little bit behind, and you'll find out why. A little sticky. We'll put a little bit more flour. Make it into a nice little ball. For the rest of the olive oil, just cover it. Cover it like that. A bit more. Now, I'm going to cover this in clear wrap and let it rest for an hour. One hour. Okay, it's been an hour, and now we're ready to continue. So, check it out. Looks pretty good, and it's ready. Okay, so now we remove the clear wrap. It's pretty easy because we have the olive oil on top. Now we're ready to make the pizza balls. I'm going to cut this in half. One half, and here's the other half. I want to make sure you keep the olive oil side up. So now we're going to make 8 pizza balls. So we cut this in half, and then we cut it in half again, and again. And here we go. Here's one. 8. Move this guy over. Actually, I'm going to bring the other. Now we're going to store them in here. I already laid some flour on there just so that they don't stick. Ooh. Perfect. Now I'm going to cover this in clear wrap and let them sit for about 6 to 8 hours. It's important when you do cover them in clear wrap, you make sure there's no air going in. So I like to use a lot of clear wrap. It's a lot of freaking clear wrap. So now I'm gonna let this rest 6 to 8 hours. Okay everybody, it's been about 6.5 hours and the dough is ready to plate. Here you go. Dough is ready. We can make the pizza. Always good to put a little bit of flour on this. And flour everywhere. Flour is our friend. Flour here, and we're gonna make the pizza. So easy to manipulate now. And there's your pizza.